Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and I'm finally doing another episode of Tech Hauls. So yeah, this is Tech Hauls number, I think, 16, number 16, and yeah, these are some pretty good finds. They aren't really the best finds, like, they're pretty mediocre, but yeah, some pretty cool stuff in here. So yeah, so the first find is this Asus SSD thing. So, like, you basically put a PCI Express SSD inside here, and, like, it adapts it. So yeah, these things are worth, like, 50 bucks usually. And, well, yeah, this thing is untested because I don't have this type of SSD. It uses an NVMe SSD or an M2 SSD. And, yeah, I don't have this one. And it says X99 Deluxe on it. So that's probably the model number. Now, actually, the model number is Hyper M2 X4. And, yeah, this is a pretty nice little SSD thing. And, yeah, this thing was just in the bin by itself. So, yeah, I don't know. And this thing is probably the best find out of the smaller finds. This is a Samsung solid state drive, if it can focus. This is actually a really good drive. This is one of the best drives I've ever found. This is a Samsung SSD 850 Pro half terabyte. And yeah, this thing works totally fine. I plugged it into my computer and I formatted it. And well, yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using this for like a PC build in the future, or I might use it for like to upgrade a laptop. I don't know yet. But yeah, this SSD costs like $75 usually, used on eBay. And it's also a Pro series, so it's a really good quality drive. Because like normal ones are like the Evos and Pluses. So yeah, the Pro is the most expensive of these SATA SSDs. So yeah, really good finds there. I'll just move on to the best find. So here's the next find. This is actually a really sad device, I guess. Yeah, this is a Surface freaking Pro 5. Yeah, Surface Pro 5. That's not even that old. It's only 2 years old. And well, yeah, this thing it used to work perfectly like a few hours ago. And yeah, now it's just boot looping for some reason. So basically I restarted it like to update some drivers and stuff. And yeah, now it's, I don't know what happened to it. It's just boot looping. I've tried everything to get it out of the boot loop, but it's not working. I think I might just like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But if I can fix it, I'll make an update video, but if I can't, well, yeah. I might just try to sell this or maybe request a device replacement from Microsoft. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but, well, yeah, the specs of this are 120GB SSD. It has, I think, 4 gigs of RAM and an i5 7300U, which is actually a really good processor. I mean, just a dual core, but it's only 2 years old. Yeah, it's 2 years old, because we're on the 9th gen right now, right? No, we're 10th gen, so it's 3 years old. Yeah, so this processor inside this is 3 years old. So the tablet is 3 years old. But, I mean, it's really good still. And it's a 7th gen, so it's the newest I've ever found. Yeah, this is in perfect condition. The type cover is mint. It's just kind of dirty on the back, but it's fine. I can clean it. And yeah, the back is in okay condition, just kind of scratched up. But yeah, this is depressing. So yeah, next find. And then next and the last find is this little DVD player. It's a Minitech. It's only 4 inches. So it's like the worst DVD player I've ever seen in my whole life. It is so bad. But yeah, at the same time, it's really intriguing and cool. And I don't know what happened to it. It's just like glitches sometimes randomly. But yeah, it's weird, it's cool, it's just amazing. Because he's like such a relic from the past, and yeah. And I haven't actually touched it yet, like with a DVD. So I just found this like random DVD, it's like, I don't care about it, it's some like piece of garbage DVD. Like, what is this? Illusions, some like magic DVD, I don't know what it's from, but yeah. Oh yeah, no, it's from I don't know how to say that. Some magic DVD, let's see if it actually works. It's reading it. Will it work? Loading. Uh-oh. Is it gonna work? If it's gonna work. It's trying. Menu. Title. It seems to be loading. Yeah, and here's the model number. This is an MDP 5510. I don't know. Is it gonna load? Hope it does. Maybe I should like turn it off and on again. That might help. It's definitely reading it, but I don't know if it's displaying data from it. Maybe I might try a different DVD. Give me a sec to give it. Just give me a sec to like get a different DVD, and I'll update you right after. Hopefully this thing works. Here's the Lord of the Rings DVD I found, and like, cause like we have the whole series of these. Let's see if it actually works. It's this, so yeah, hopefully it works. It's loading. I think it's actually spinning in there. Maybe this DVD is just bad, I don't know. But seems to be loading. Hopefully it's gonna work. DVD video? Is it working? Let's go! It freaking works! Nice. This quality though, it's like the best quality I've ever seen in my life. Bruh, this quality is so good. That's like amazing quality, 10 out of 10. And like, I can probably count the pixels on this, like, this is so pixelated and trash, but I like it. I kinda want to watch a whole movie on this, just to see how bad it is. But well, yeah, I hope I don't get copyrighted. I just see that button. Is it actually gonna work? It has speakers in it too. I literally can't read that text. Can you? And yeah, this thing is definitely gonna get its own video because it's just so interesting and cool, and just like a relic from the past. I'm guessing this was probably made like 10 years ago, and well, yeah, hopefully, yeah, it seems to be working and everything. But the only issues I noticed were like flickering and stuff. Look at this quality. I'm gonna like half the screen is cut off, and I don't know what I'm doing right now. Bro, like, I'm literally getting, like, that much video. That's like the size of a flip phone, actually. Cause, like, I don't know, what can I compare it to? Okay, here's this phone. Bro, this phone is, like, bigger than the whole thing. Yeah, I can barely read the text, even though it's really big. Well, yeah, I guess that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna watch Lord of the Rings on this. And well, yeah, peace out, guys.